another video. So in this video, we are going to be upgrading the fog lights from halogen bulbs to LEDs. And I got new bulbs from my friends over at Oxilam. Hopefully I'm pronouncing their name properly. But I've recently partnered with them, and these are the new bulbs. So when we open the packaging, it comes with a product manual. It comes in 2 different languages, English and Chinese. So it got demonstration, everything in here. You get a pair of white gloves, and then the bulbs themselves. Let's take it out. So very, very good quality. Alright, if you go head on over to www.oxilam.com, they have a very, very wide variety of LEDs for your vehicle. And if you use promo code Scorpion20, you'll receive 20% off your order. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how it looks during the daytime. The intro had a night shot, so let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, and these are Savannah halogen bulbs, and if you ever brought them, you know they're expensive, about $60. I paid for them 2 little bulbs. But now we're gonna be upgrading to the LEDs. So let me turn these back off, and you need no tools at all. So if you go to the front, and voila. All right, so that's your fog light bulb right there. So reach underneath, twist, and pull out. I'll be careful because I did just have these bulbs on to get hot quick. So on the back side, there's a tab. So you want to push that down and pull it out. Well, lift it up, sorry. So you pull back, and then it comes right out. All right, so we're gonna get our new bulbs. Take it out, connect it. You hear it click into place. I'm not sure if the camera picked that up. Reach back up in here and lock into place. All right, so it's installed. We only did one side, so let's see how the difference immediately. And it comes with a built-in fan on it too. All right, so here's this side. And look at this side. Now it matches the HID color. On camera, it doesn't look like it, but you could tell the immediate difference between those. So let's go ahead and install the other one, and then we're gonna do some night shots with the new Oxilam LED. All right, so this is gonna be the same exact procedure as the other fog light. Lift up, pull out, get the new one, click into place, and reinstall it. Now both installed. That's the daytime. Now let's switch over to night. And voila. It's really, really bright. Hey, remember how it was in the intro with the halogen? Look how far, like, it's bright. So be sure to upgrade your car's LEDs today at oxilam.com. And remember, use promo code Scorpion20 and you'll see 20% off your order. Man, those are bright compared to what it was before. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.